Hey, Linux users! Did you know that changing the computer name on Red Hat Enterprise Linux can be done using the hostnamectl command?
Really? That sounds interesting. Why is it important to change the computer name?
Your computer name, or hostname, is like its unique ID. If your RHEL 9.8 server was set up with the default localhost name, but you want to give it a personal touch, changing the computer name is the way to go.
That makes sense. How can we check the current hostname?
You can use one of these commands in your terminal, $cat/etc/hostname, $hostname, or $hostnamectl.
Okay, and how can we change the hostname?
It's as easy as pie. You just need to open the hostname file and edit it with your new name. Then, edit the hosts file and replace the old name with your new one. Finally, reboot your system. Alternatively, you can set the new hostname, edit the hostname file, and update the hosts file without restarting your system.
That sounds simple enough. Is there a shortcut for this?
Yes, there is! The hostnamectl command can make life even simpler. You can use it to see the current setting and change the hostname with just one command.
That's great to know. Thanks for sharing this useful information.
No problem. For more details, check out these commands: $man hostnamectl, $hostnamectl help, $man 5 hosts, and $man hostname. Enjoy exploring Linux!